Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a heating pad. So I'll show you that here. This is it here. So let's give this thing a try and see. It's got a little bit of weight to it. I guess it's a weighted heating pad is the kind of concept for back pain, shoulder aches, and painful cramps. So let's see how this looks. So this is it here. It's like filled with well, it's really soft. It's like a velvety, velourish kind of thing, but it's filled. It's got those, there's like the sand pieces in there. It's got the little connector here. Oh, it's like a little heart. But so that's where it will connect. And let's plug it in. Here's the plug and setting thing for it. So let me open up that. Of course, it's with a twist tie. There we go. Lots of twist ties. Okay, so here it is. It looks like it has a two-prong plug here, so it'll just plug into my outlet. And then I have the buttons on here. Let me plug this thing in. So it just snaps into there. So there, now it is plugged in. So it's got settings on it. It says it'll go for the different temperature, I guess, settings and the timer. It says 45 minutes, 90 minutes, 120 minutes. So I'll just say 45 minutes. And then this other button here is the temperature setting. Oh, I can feel it's already getting warm. 7, 8, 9, it goes all the way up to a level 10. So let's see how this thing feels and how it does. I can feel like there's like, I guess there's like a little wire goes up and down. Obviously there has to be for it to do it. So I can feel the wire going like down here. And they are about, it looks like there's maybe 2 sets in each square. So yeah, there's 2 sets in each square. So that kind of gives you how many. So it'll be 2, 4, 6, 8, you know, about 8 back and forth. And then you'll just put it on your head or whatever. I can feel the heat kind of coming through. I guess you can put it probably either way. I have it this way here. You could probably go this way as well. I feel it a little bit. But it's heating up. It's not super hot yet, but I'm guessing I just turned it on. And I set it for 45 minutes. So let's see if we're missing anything here in the manual. Where is it? Oh, right here. So it says the instructions here. So it looks like at the high level, we're at 120 watts, 200 watts, 120 watts. So different size heating pads are different ones. So level 1 to 10, so it goes 86 degrees all the way through to 158 degrees would be the highest. So that's this here. If you need it, you can probably pause and zoom in if you really need the instructions for something. And it looks like you can wash it even too, just without it being plugged in. And I feel some heat on it now. And I got the weight on there too. I guess for a girl who's going through, you know, monthly issues or something like that, they could probably put it on their stomach, and the little weight on it probably would feel good. But yeah, it feels good, and it's starting to warm up now. So it's doing what it does. It's kind of hot outside today. I don't necessarily want more heat on me, but it does seem to work, and that'd probably be good for my shoulders and stuff, and my neck. My neck will probably use it. Maybe I'll leave this on here while I watch TV later. So I'm gonna say this is nice. I like it. Thumbs up.